Morning, guys. Today we're out here with Frank Rella NRC, Juan. What was your name, buddy?
Steven.
And Steven, man. He got the Gladiator. Juan got his Ed Blue. We got this old chump right here. Well, it's not that good, but now we got Frank Red Line. Today we about to be hitting some hard ass lines. Oh.
We got Juan with his stance. My beater, Red Cat, is sent. He made that line look easy.
Not really. Had him. Alright, so we got Frank right now here doing a little side healing. He said this was easy for him. We'll see about that.
He said like pancakes in the morning.
Yeah.
No bacon.
No bacon.
I'll struggle off.
Alright. If you guys are in the area of Arizona, make sure y'all come down to Dome Valley for some nice ass crawling spots. You're gonna have to beat that out.
Ain't gonna do shit.
Oh shit. Alright. There you go.
Zoom it in. That guy fell. He's gonna go get it. Way down there.
I think cross down better than cross up with.
It's a good descender.
Hey, this fucking.
Alright, go ahead.
Might not make it, bro.
I don't think it's gonna make it. Nope.
I went right here. Look right here. It's better right here.
Now look at that back turn. Look at that back turn.
Está ponchada esa llanta. Mira nomás.
Wham, 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 wham.
On the spot repair. Broken axle right there. Fixed it on the spot. Now he's calling back. Go ahead. So he just repaired this car. He broke it.
And we're back on again.
We're back on again.
Shout out Juan's Performance.
Juan Performance.
Yeah. Sand and crawling.
This is an Axial scx10 version 1.
Show
Deadbolt.
them big ass pumpkins right there in the back.
Look at that. The fix that they did right there. Easy, well, easy, easy, easy. There it goes. See, guys? You don't need a what?
Fucking $500 car, man.
This is a $200 RC right there.
With a brush motor.
With a brush motor in it.
Oh, they're biting now. They like Mexican food. What about your wall climb? You did your wall climb again? Oh yeah, I already did it twice.
But I added more than what it took from it, so that's alright.
Maybe with your walk line right here, man. I didn't see the bull and that's the one when you ran around the car. Yeah. And then that's when he broke. I was like,
What the hell?
All right, go ahead.
Who's going, me?
Le dije que no.
No, por ahí vas a subir, cabrón. No me digas que no.
I didn't go that way, though.
You got cameras like that. No, güey, el tío va a ser con left, güey.
Yeah, it's going left.
It's gonna be left, güey. Wanna go for it? Go left right there, dude. We're going too fast. We're going too fast.
What's happening, guys?
Oh, the camera challenge is on.
Camera showing.
There we go.
The valley is in the...
Por ahí, güey.
You're caught in the belly. Yeah. There you go. And then I'll punch you out.
I went the wrong way. I went the loop where we used to go. Maybe I'll get a dude going down now. You good? What? No, I'll get you in the competition.
Alright, so we got Frank Redline out here. I mean, he said it was pretty easy. He said this was light work for him. We'll see about that. And that. Okay, I guess he was right.
Easy money.
Oh, I see. So that's what we got issues, guys. The belly keeps bottoming out right there. Out here, there's a spot. There's a spot for every car, man. Some cars do good out here, some don't. Just depends what spot we're hitting out here, to be honest with you.
El verga.
Yeah.
El lento
Sí. Y luego tiene Capra Axles. Oh, Steve? Sí. Steven?
Capra Axel with the fusion. Did you see Angel Saturday?
Yeah. Twisted T hardline. Heavy crawlers out here. Let me get you cleaned up with a photo shoot.
You know, the 24 makes it.
No, not today. Nope.
Hey, not even in real life. So we can 2 months ago. I better not. Hey, I better not. Me voy a comer el troque ya la verga.
Yeah. Yeah. Backpack.
Please.
Yeah.
You go up, Frank?
Yeah. 2 times. 2 times.
Oh, stop.
Pasaste de memoria, cabrón.
So do the gnats. The gnats keep bugging me.
Oh, okay.
You got it, dude.
They're trying to feed me protein.
You fell already?
He fell.
Yeah?
I made it.
But did you give him the line, Frank?
I did.
I don't think you did, man.
I'll show him right now.
I haven't tried mine with the weigh and with the freaking shocks that I put. So it's gonna be wars off.
No, that's. Try that one over there.
I'm not leaving until I make this shit. I'm not leaving until I make this shit.
He got it. Abuelita.
Unless you go with like a heel or something like that.
No, you're going too steep. Oh, there you go.
Yeah. Because what is it? A lot of the guys will do the class ones.
There you go.
Who is it? Nerd art?
So far, I only know 2 trucks are reliably do it. It's Frank's and this scx10.
This one made it already. Last time I made it, I had the BFGs like he's got on his. GAs?
It sucks because you got to take them all apart. You can't
Fuck,
just throw
man.
on another set of springs.
You don't have a belly issue.
I do.
It's in a cent. What can I say?
They're like the front. I'm like, that's what I want. The rear is like a 20.
A little more even. Right there. Whoa. Right there. Come on. Nope, lost it. Oh, there you go. Oh. No, it's a great one. No, he goes around it. Oh, shit. Yeah, he walks. Look at his lane. He goes right around that thing. Now you're going to see this. You're more capable with them.
Oh!
There you go. Oh, too far. But I don't know. There it is. Now go straight, and it should lay down. Nope. Yeah.
You get the oh.
Ooh. You lift this one tire. Oh, I was gonna say stay straight. It'll lift that one tire up, and then it'll push it back down.
Oh man.
There it is, there it is. Cut hard, cut hard.
I don't think mine will go up that high because of the shorter wheel. You go straight at it like that?
Yep.
Yeah, straight.
Can I try?
You know you'll make it. Didn't you already go up it?
Yeah, this part not. I don't know. I don't know. We'll see.
Nope, too far over. So your back tire, this back tire goes right on this edge, right here. A little bit too far. What? Right there. Straight up. This tire here will lift a little bit. Nope. Go that way, go that way. Yeah, hold on. Watch. Right there. Straight.
And then hard right there.
Once it gets up, there you go. There you go. Now just sliced, just go right behind him, dude.
No, that's the cone.
That's the cone.
I'm trying to see that. Which way to?
Come back a little bit.
So the line is you go around.
No, come. There you go.
You go this way.
There you go. Oh, easy.
Easy, easy.
Turn up, turn up, turn up.
Nope.
Come on, there you go. There it is. There it is. Come back just a hair. Dude, you guys should be standing right where I'm at. You can see the line better.
I need 2 hands for this. Now you do.
Oh, crack right there.
You good? There you go. Turn it all the way. Oh.
It'll fall. It's gonna fall.